Hi all, welcome back. When developing an application that makes requests to protected resources on some service provider, and if this service uses OAuth2 for authorization, then the first thing the client developer must do is to register the application at the given service provider. Usually this happens on some web interface where the developer inserts the requested data as name and website of the client application, uploads an image to serve as an application logo, and specifies the redirection endpoint, also called as callback endpoint. On registration of the client application, service provider issues client ID and client secret to the client application, which client application need to store securely. So here you can see in the screen, we have taken LinkedIn example where I have registered the client application with the name OAuth2 client app. While registering client application, we need to provide client application name, URL, and logo. So here we are providing name. Here we provide the URL for the client application, and here we have uploaded the logo. Once we create the client application, LinkedIn generates client ID and client secret and present it to us in the application details page. So once we submit on the screen, we'll get this application details page. There you will be able to see the client ID and client secret. So this is generated by the LinkedIn. Along with that, you can see the OAuth2 settings, where you need to provide authorized redirect URL. We also call it as a callback URL for our client application. And the last section you will see OAuth2 scopes, where you can see there are two scopes over here, our email address and our light profile, which enables a client application to use primary email address associated with your LinkedIn account. And the profile scope enables to use your name and photos. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.